Struggling to recreate the same report layout over and over again? This video will show you how to duplicate a page in Looker Studio in just a few clicks, saving you valuable time and effort. Alright, let's dive right in first. Make sure you have your Looker Studio report open. The page you want to duplicate should be visible. Look at the top of your screen. You'll see the page tabs, usually labeled Page 1, Page 2, and so on. Find the tab of the page you want to copy. Hover your mouse over the Pages tab. You should see a small arrow or 3 vertical dots appear next to the page name. Click on that arrow or the 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. Select Duplicate Page. And just like that, Looker Studio will create an exact copy of your page, usually labeled as Page Original Page Name Copy. You'll see the new tab appear next to the original one. Now you have a complete duplicate of your page, including all the charts, tables, filters, and styling. This is a fully functional copy, linked to the same data source. Finally, you can rename the duplicated page to something more descriptive. Simply click on the Duplicated Page tab, select Rename from the drop-down, and enter your new name. That's it. You've successfully duplicated a page in Looker Studio. Now you can quickly customize your duplicated page without affecting the original, allowing for efficient report creation and customization. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Looker Studio tips.